Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, episode how much this? I think this is episode 3 of the whole what the planning. Can I tell you now? Well, by the title below, you know me I come with some bad news. Me did us get it together, Andrea. I did a say me not gonna do that video here, but you know what? Me go just tell you now, cause me not only share the good parts, me I share the ugly parts as well. So first, me did an intro in the first video, but me tell you now, the house flood out. The washing machine, you know no real pain until washing machine flood out your house. The washing machine flood out the house. Now, when me get all of the packages them with the stuff them for the wedding, guys, I open them on the floor. I sit on the floor and I open them, and then I just pop them back up in the box. Let me just say, I pop them back up in the box, and you know, just rest them there, cause I will leave a box. Now, the house flood out. The hose drop off of the machine, and the entire house flood out. Not like one little spot, like the entire room, the entire bathroom. You can walk in it and hear splish splash, splish splash, splish splash. That is how bad it was. Anyways, I deal with it with grace. I mean, just sweep out water, and we wipe out water, we sun off the sun, and you know, we call it a day, because if we not laugh, we gonna cry. We never did really laugh that day, but we never really sweat it. You think that was it? That wasn't it alone. The house flooded out one second time. And me never learned from the first time. But they still have stuff on the ground. Luckily, nothing ever happened to them. The box did just get soggy, but everything never, you know, everything never really wet. I penetrated through the box, but nothing too crazy. Going back, I never learn, but it still have stuff on the floor. As me say, when the things them come in, I just have them on the floor. You know, through me have the big space to work with. I just put them out and say, alright, I'm gonna organize this, that, and have them in a one corner. So 2 times the house flood out. Still deal with it with, you know, grace. At this point, we fed up though, but you know, yeah. No, I think that was it. Other little stuff happened, I'm not gonna get into, but not too bad. I think that was one of the worst. Plus, what really pushed me to come make that video here today. The token them. So now remember the video that I gave to you guys with me. I start out the token them, me and Kim, and we label them. So I never did engrave. I saw this little idea where you can customize the sticker with the date and your name. So I say, you know what, let me do that. So I get me nice little sticker them with the name, me and Jerry's name, and the dates, with the names and the date of the wedding. Put them on the token, clean them up. Only for this happen. The token them spoil, guys. So the first sign we did ignore. Now one, me never know say a real flowers them put in at the token them. I have the bag right here, so. Cause at this point, I don't think I go throw them, but I go repurpose them. Well, I don't know it. Anyways, just for example, watch ya. Every time I look, babe, look how something get worse. So even for this, we are gonna work with it. We couldn't work with this. So me never did know say a real flowers. They on the token them. So it's a candle holder. Right? Them did have a scent. Them not have no scent again though. That's weird. Them not have no scent again. No, no scent again. Last time I take them up, them they have scent. Anyways, the first time we did ignore are the facts that they had a scent. No, it wasn't unbearable, but it did a give like You know, like when you put down real flowers in a water, like you know that scent where the stem start to get, it didn't give me that. So would you come up with one idea, say, you know what, make we spray, because we have like the oil scented spray. So make we spray the box and spray the flowers and see if it would have been better. Anyways, we'd spray all of them, put them back in the box, and also put on the sticker them on the back. One man just say, check it. Let me go check the scent and see how it do. It not even smell like now, it did still have a little scent, but it wasn't bad. When I go and look on something them full of mold, we call it mold or junjo, whatever it called. See it there? You see that? No! Me panic because me can't get nobody them here. Me definitely can't give nobody them here. And then for repurpose them, would have to dig off this, get something for add on panny, and it would have just been so much work, guys. And we could have put it in the sun, you know, but guess what? The candle them stuck down in it. So even if we wanted to sun them, the candle them would have melt because the candle stuck in them. And then for dig it out, would have ruined it. So we could have sun it. Now the blow dry method, if somebody gonna say blow dry, not gonna work, because these little things right here, if you turn the blow dry upon it, them are gonna blow off. So now I have no token for the wedding. Well, I gotta order some. I order some new ones. I love these, so I might get something similar to it and read. Reading make us a full man. I have one video where I gonna give you with all of them stuff there, like how to make the whole planning easier. If you ever get married, that video there is a must watch. Anyways, reading make it a full man. I'm assuming it was a mistake on my side. I never did read say the flowers real with the pan it, but yeah. So if you're gonna do that, just if you're gonna keep your wedding and you want something like this with the real flowers on it, and your wedding not in no time soon, then don't use real flowers. Or I don't even know what to suggest. If you're gonna use it same time, fine, but if you're gonna put it down, because of that reach me, you know, because when I got them, I did have them in a box and never did really trouble them. They just did it until I'm ready for like clean them up and, you know, tie on the bow, because some bow they forgot on this. Luckily me never waste that. Them not come with no bow though. Guys, these are from Amazon. Mind you, they're really cute, nice token for bridal shower, anything at all, wedding, anything. Really cute token. But just read the description. Them have some with some fake plant on it. You can choose that if you're not planning to use it no time soon, or the area where you're living, or how the weather set, the atmosphere, whatever the case is. Just read, guys, read the description properly and don't be like me. So me I make that video here, so I don't make that mistake here. So them cute, but be mindful that some of them have real flowers, because even now it moist. Like it moist. How me can prove it? Alright, I'm not gonna use it. So look, I'm gonna press it down on it and you see. Wait. You see that? You see the little spot? Yeah, it moist. So if you're gonna use them same time, no problem. And then when you give them out, then people wouldn't know how to, you know, take care of it. They would have probably pop out the candle out tight and sun it, and you know how people create it. They would have find a way to take care of it. But yeah, so that reached me, guys. So now I forgot to order some new token. I might just get the same thing, and I might just get the same thing, but this time around with fake flowers on it, because they're really cute and I love them. So all of this, the stickers, everything gone down the drain. I'm not gonna show them where though. Definitely not gonna show them where, because I can't find something creative to do with it. Because as I say, this is the problem. This is the plant on it. me see if it's easy. Still have a little scent too. You know what? Everything happen for a reason. So all you have to do like take off this and then you could have glue something here, so I'm not gonna waste it. See it? Oh, Lord God. A lucky thing I never that me did plan to do, because I thought it would have left that mess here. There's something with them used to hold it strong. The hot glue. Put there. So even if me did take off this, I would have to like scrape off this, get something, and yeah, guys, whatever. But as me say, there is more good than bad happening. Me not gonna get discouraged. Me just need to hurry up, place order for some new ones and call it a day. And then after the wedding and I'm settled, we can just go in a little DIY, you know, era. Cause me have enough little things I want DIY, you know, so it's about time. Me can like just, you know, recreate something. Guys, what do you think me can make with this? What me can do? I can recreate something and give them to somebody who will get married or and stain them. Yo, I have a good idea, you know. Oh, I would have to take off a sticker off of the back. And then I tell her the sticker are not the easiest thing to come off, because them sticker them, you see through it make for do this. Them when you put them on, them sticking them on. Yeah. Just to make that video for me couldn't know say. And that's a go on. That's a go on. Out of this or the house flood, you know, which one do you think worse? Babe, question. Out of this, out of the token then spoil, or the house flood out twice, which one do you think worse?
The token then, because of the time.
Yeah, true. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, time running out. Yeah, it's gonna be all tomorrow and spoil today.
Yeah. Oh, brother. And then if me didn't know, you see when me did just get them, me did just have them. Like me never check them nor nothing. So that, guys, me not, to be honest, me not lie. You see when you plan your wedding? Me not even sweat it, guys. Not sweat it. So as me turn off the camera, I go just go place order for a new set and just call it a day. Now the thing is that I won't be able to get back the money for this because the time passed, the window closed. Not really, it's not a big deal because the time passed, as I said, but we just do what we have to do. And I can't believe so the host rolled out twice. I mean, I talk about a little bit of water, you know, like run through the front door type of water, gone down to the gate type of water. You know how much water that is? For your house flood out, settle in one corner, run through the front door, gone down at the gate. Oh, brother, I can't make this up. Anyways, enough of the whole sad story. I feel better, so I come talk to you about it. I'm able to get something quick and fast. And yeah, enough of that. I'm going to move on to better things. We're going to do some unboxing, but in part 2. So I'm have to come back for part 2. I can just end off this and then start with the whole unboxing and showing you some cool stuff I'm find. So yeah, that's that, guys. That's what we're going through, but we'll keep strong. We now make that get without. It can fix, and that's the best part. So as me turn this off, me go and place order for some new ones, and that's it. Call it a day. Also, comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think I should do with these. When you think if you stain it, so one, me can leave the color as it is. Me can stain it as well and buy some cute little flowers from Amazon and use glue gun and put them back on and give them away. Or I can save them for like an anniversary or something Anyways, when the time hot, the candle them probably gonna melt. That's the next thing. You used to make nothing bother me. That could never be me. Because you see the moment me take up this and my sister want mold upon it, I start panic. Because me say, what? Also, you know, don't get me wrong, me did a worry about the scent, you know. Hence why me did go back and check it. You see, if me never did a worry about the scent, I would go back and check it for sister mold upon it. And when me ready to put them in the gift bag, I would have see and then it would have been worst. Anyways, I did not worry about the scent because I said, bro, this I got up on the table beside everybody's plate. Suppose somebody smell it and say, why it smells so sour? Because it had a little sour smell. You know, through the plant wet pan it damp, it moist. I mean, I said, Jesus, I'm supposed people smell it. And I said, what smells so? But then when I go check back his scent, it never smelled as bad, but it had a little smell. So I didn't worry about it. So one time I look and I see green something, I said, cheese and peace. I just start ball same time. I just hide and ball. Because Jason is a, babe, it's okay, babe. Calm down type of person. Me is hello right now. Because what? I may tell you, all of them stay like that. There is not one but don't have it. Oh my God, this one is worth. Mighty God, then this me gonna give people. No, look on this, guys. A serious something. Could they? Because it moist, you know? You know that little something that will come from bread? Let me tell you. I'm telling you. But as I said, I'm not dash them way. And this is a very realistic video. I'm pretty it up and that house flood out, token spoil.